In today's video, I'll show you how to install Home Assistant on your LincStation NAS, and get started with your own smart home hub. What is Home Assistant? Home Assistant is a free and open source platform that lets you control all your smart home devices from one place. You can manage lights, cameras, sensors, automations, and more through a single dashboard. Think of it as the control center for your smart home. Now let's install it. Step 1. Install Home Assistant. Head over to the Apps tab, search for Home Assistant, and click Install. Set your config directory, then click Apply, and wait for the container to start. Step 2. Create your account. Once Home Assistant is running, open your browser and go to Home Assistant. Create your administrator account and password, then complete the initial setup. And that's it. Your Home Assistant server is ready to go. Step 3. Home Assistant Dashboard Overview. Now let's take a quick tour of the dashboard. The Overview page is your main dashboard. This is where you'll see your devices, sensors, and automations all in one place. The Map section shows the location of your connected devices and users, making it easy to track presence and location-based automations. The Energy dashboard helps you monitor your home's power usage and energy consumption over time. The Activity section gives you a quick timeline of recent events, so you can see what's happening across your smart home. Need to check what happened earlier? The History page lets you review past device activity and sensor data. The Media section allows you to control and manage supported media devices from one place. Use to-do lists to keep track of tasks, reminders, and household chores. The Settings page is where you manage devices, integrations, users, automations, and system configuration. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more LincStation NAS tutorials. See you in the next video.